Hello everyone, and welcome to Scheduling Part 1. This video series will take you from products to projects and everything in between. In this video, you will learn how to create a product. First, let's look into what a product is. A product is a training curriculum or template of events used when creating projects. An aspect of a product is how many days of training exist. Another aspect could be that a test is held on the last day of training. This will happen in every instance that you schedule training. Now let's talk about our practical example, Joe. Joe's company wants to hold a training session for their pilots. Instead of creating a new curriculum every time they want to hold training, they can create a product. This will cut down on scheduling time, making Joe's job a lot easier. Here we are in the Mint Web Assistant. We're going to head over to Products. And now we see some categories. Categories are used in the product page to organize products and also used throughout the system to link back to the product we will be creating. You will see this in future videos. Now we're going to create a new category. And we'll give it the name A320 LOE. Now we'll select our new category. Some of the options of this page you should be aware of is the Copy option, Deselect, and Search. Now let's create a new product. First, we're going to fill out the properties. We'll keep the product name and then change the status to Published. Published is when you want to use and schedule this product. Not published is when you're still working on it, and archived means you don't want to make any more changes. We'll select a valid from date, which is when we can start using this product. And then we'll head over to our product design. This is where the events in our product will show up. You can zoom in and out at will. And then you can go and create a new event. So we'll call this day 1 of our training. We'll keep the color blue. We'll set the initial day to be the first day. The training starts at 9 a.m. and goes on for 4 hours. Now we see the event that we have created. We're going to create 3 more. This will be day 2. We're going to change the color. We still want it to start at 9 a.m. and go on for 4 hours. Another way to create a new event is to right-click on the event, copy, and then place the event. Then we can double-click to edit the properties. If you want to change the times and days without double-clicking, we can drag to different times or days. Another option to be aware of is that we can add record items to this event. We'll get to that in later videos. Additionally, in later videos, we'll get to slot groups, continuities, and user schedule rules. For now, we're going to press OK to save the 3 events we've created for our product. This has been Scheduling Part 1. Thanks for watching.